Hello, my name is Yudhar Pandey. I am with my fellow teammates Ujjwal Singh and Vishal Kumar Singh. We have created an artificial voice assistant called Jarvis. Here we have integrated many APIs like Gemini API to our code. Here my fellow teammates Ujjwal and Vishal have contributed this project to integrate Gemini API with the source code, and they have researched all about APIs and hence contributing to this project. Here we have used various modules starting up with the code. Here we have integrated the API Gemini API where we have created a different environment, which is this AI.env, where I have put the API key in the variable named called API underscore key. Now coming to the next part, here we have used a speak function so that the system, the code can detect the audio. Now coming to the second function, wish me. Here the Jarvis will wish the user. Now coming to the fourth function, which is send email. Here we have put a live server, and through the server we can send email to anyone by logging into our email account. Now coming to the main source code, which is the main function. Here I have called the wish me so that the Jarvis can wish me every time I put him into work. Now coming to the loop, where I have called the query to take command and have performed different tasks so that it can work properly. And finally I have integrated the AI so that anything can be generated using the help of Gemini API. Now starting with our code, first of all we are going to run it.
Good afternoon. I am Jarvis, sir. How can I help you?
Jarvis, open YouTube. Jarvis, open Google. Open GitHub. Play music. Here we can see it has access to my playlist. Open Instagram. What is the time?
Sir, the time is 16 hours 18 minutes and 57 seconds.
Please open VS Code. Send email.
What should I say?
Just say hi.
I am currently not able to send the email.
Here we can see that the username and password is not accepted. If we put the correct email and password, it can definitely send an email to the user.
You can start talking to the AI. Say exit to end the conversation.
Hello Jarvis.
Hello. It's nice to hear from you. What can I do for you today?
Jarvis, who is Shah Rukh Khan? Give your response in 2 sentences.
Shah Rukh Khan is a renowned Indian actor, producer, and television personality. He is widely known as the king of Bollywood for his charismatic performances and widespread popularity.
What is photosynthesis? Give your all responses in 2 sentences.
Photosynthesis is the process by which plants and some other organisms convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose. This process occurs in chloroplasts, where chlorophyll absorbs light and drives the reactions that produce sugar and oxygen.
Write a code of hello world in JavaScript.
JavaScript. Console.log. Hello, world. This code uses the console.log method to print the string hello, world, to the console.
So this was my project. I will be updating this project in future, and I will design a web page using React. Thank you.